Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give you a little walkthrough tour of a 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless that came in. It's got the fishing package on it, so we got a bracket right here. So we got the jack plate, option to mount a power pole. Let's walk up aboard. You also got the mount and wiring already there for a bow trolling motor. So we walk through on the starboard side, we look back. The 27 Dauntless is a great boat, and the fact that it's got a lot of versatile seating. Full transom bench seat here that can fold down out of the way. And now you have a fishing platform. And right in front at the console, Yeti cooler, freshwater sink can basin, and a large live well to keep your bait. This one is equipped with a Raymarine Axiom Pro 12-inch screen. Also has the VHF radio, Fusion Bluetooth stereo unit, controls for your engine bracket, trim tabs. Work our way forward. Also equipped with a pump out marine head, plenty of storage down there, and a large sun pad and bow seating areas here. There you have the plate to plug in your trolling motor. Great versatile boat. You can go fishing, pick up the family, the wife and the kids, and go on a dinner cruise. Really luxurious, comfortable center console. Again, it's at MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.